Urhobo ado. Okrile, it's been a while, is it not so? Yes. Remind me. Umeche na umiamiwa. But Oriene Atani Obule Torofo. Bolo Arofo. Odiovo. Forget me na. Owe Movovia. We won't be Kwanacho Bivia. Kemitani Ofori. Mi wo na wo ble Urhobo uche mi bobo rikona ise Urhobo le mi je ta oyibo ni mi say proverb of the day le mi wo wacha ama oko yigu o mi dagwari wa de go yigu wa kari en yigu odoro waru no omena odoro waru no from time to time. Okay, you go one afoma or na afoma omle osha na lodio obey ekoye roguye bebe ekwere kai foma isa erieda omlena then oda mbuka mliku itobo de ogwero kidakida ko wa morwe ane fubiro yodi that we kwa jiwe kili mi wa chana me mlai gbebu mi ba mi mlai e bolo ye re mi bugeri kokrona ki mi nyoni ai fo mana ye rieda but de mi wa chana unu me kokiko yo overe ko yo overe me ani mome kero me akpona orena na bo jiruru akpowe wo pekoto wona bo jiruru wo bo ogun na powe ya wa kedie ani lo ajecho ano yiju fowo odira wo nda fo mati wana na yo lieda obodo no ya jini ona no ye covid ai Urhobo na ni elieda ero ikwori ya so yiwo ero eke bovo Urhobo daro ene irora jecho or you defo. What am I trying to say? Let me just interpret it for those of you who don't understand what I was saying ever since in Urhobo. Iroro, that is thinking, plan, lajecho that is a plan that is planned amiss, or a miscalculation, or a misplanned agenda, or idea is what is referred to as bewitchment or enchantment or bewitchment or enchantment. Meaning that even though there are some powers that can maybe do one or two things and all that, it is still a fact that when you do not plan your life well, you will end up calling Mr. A or Mr. B, calling out people, accusing them that hey, So what I want to leave you with today is that in whatever you do, remember ne Urhobo tare ne irora jecho or idufo. So as you're going on, plan your life well. Sene ojurai ro. From nena gwane osawale omokomoko esoro anokwo apoyo we ogugura another one. So let us call it a day, a day kwenu neyo. Wa pa kebe asale gbani itwigbun na tani obo wecha la kasaka sale olulu ideme agwale medagbare kimi wa wo Urhobo. That is what we call blogging extempore. Maybe you was aliona oyoma ado all of you that will tell me that you are wearing the western dress, why are you not in your native attire? We do Urhobo ma wo de ma do Urhobo no me Urhobo de forget that. So forget about the attire walk wall otara gwale moke ona o chuma omlena amekedefa baba yo oda kodu we bro gboro gbera chana me mla egbebu ba mi mla evolo ye re mi bugeri krokro na ki mi nyoni ai po mana ye rieda